Hey, what's up, beautiful people? Thank you so much again for stopping by to the team brand. It's a beautiful morning, but very cold here in Doha, Qatar. I'm in a place called Najma. Yeah, Najma is one of the most crowded and busy places here in Qatar. And right about now, naenda kwa metro station. I want just to show you around, guys. We probably talk about one of few things, you know. And there is very interesting thing in Qatar. Kuna a clock that is counting, like a countdown to the FIFA World Cup. Unaona, kuna FIFA here in 2022. So kuna a clock iko huko chini place kunaitwa Konich. I want to go there actually and show you about, I'll show you the clock and everything around there. And it's so beautiful, guys. Like, check this. They're so common, hizi madush, you know, madush. They're so common and so many here in Qatar, you know. Na wanazipenda, like, they're taken good care of. They're maji and they're just so free, you know. They are karibu na mo. Guys, actually this metro station are made in a way that they are parked, like ni park on itself. Unaona ni park. In the evening or early morning unaweza ona watu wakitembea that's running here. So it's made in a way that is so spacious, so ni kama ni park also. Yeah, if you are keen, kuna wase wanafanya mazoezi. I'm going to show you. Alafu it's so beautiful. That is the metro station are constructed so beautiful. Naona kuna watu wanafanya mazoezi. You're going to see them. Yeah, in front of me. I don't want to capture them. Oh, in our capture, unaona people just walking around and doing a mazoezi. Guys, it's pretty windy. It's really windy. Na nilikuwa nataka kuonyesha. I'm sure you've never seen this. It's so bright. Hapa nao ni kurembo. It's so beautiful. This is one of the parts of Konich that you should visit actually. Yeah, it's Albida Park. Albida Park, and kuna hii barabara imeenda hadi kwa the minister, hapo place ma minister ukaa parliament. It's looking significantly so beautiful, you see. And it's a place that you should visit ukiwa hapa hivi. Guys, kwa wale wasi wanataka ku explore Qatar, I feel like this is a place that you should not miss coming. Like, ukichukua hiyo metro station umefika Albida Park, immediately umefika hapa, you see it's so beautiful. Inakaa like you're somewhere else. Ikai Qatar. And the good thing, ukitembea during the winter time, let me call it the mild winter time, hapa Qatar time ya baridi, you can feel the vibe. Like inasikia poa sana. Like walking on these streets, man, look how it looks. The roads are beautiful. Kila kitu inakaa smart. Like it takes you out of this world, guys. Nakumbuka place nawapeleka, so I'm taking you to that place yenye kuna clock yenye na countdown na FIFA World Cup. So I'm taking you that place. From where I stand in Zayona is just on my left. Niko karibu kufika hapo, and the place is well protected. Hapa kuna something like a parliament hapa hivi karibu na mimi, and if you look keenly huko mwisho kabisa, there is a police car, the red one. Hiyo inajitalekuya. Hiyo ni place yani the protection of our VIP nini. So it's a well protected place. Natembea, I'm feeling so safe, you know. So nikiteremka hivi I make few corners, nitakuwa nimefika kwa hiyo place that I'm taking you guys. Yo guys, so from where I'm standing, we have another very significant view. Like ukiangalia far to my right hand side, utaona the view over the city center. Na hapo chini kabisa kuna the sea, of course the Gulf Sea. Then to my left also it's beautiful, like places zote zinakaa really so. Yeah, that's what I mean, guys. Like ukiangalia to my further end, you can see now the city center, the Doha city center. Alafu hapo hivyo kuna the Gulf Sea. It's looking significantly so beautiful, guys. I think you should visit this place, Albida Park. Sijai kuwa na a very good view like this of Doha. Like unaweza ona the city center in full. You have the sea there. You have the something like I can call a parliament there, you know. And it's so beautiful, guys. Like, hey, kumbe kutembea hapa Qatar in time ya winter, like you feel the weather is not hot. You feel that vibe. Naelewa. finally guys, I'm there. It's so windy, so you come to it's so really windy, but I'm going to try and film something at least. And I didn't carry my camera, you got a mic and all those things. It's so windy, you know. It's just on the shore of the Gulf Sea, this ocean here, and it's so beautiful guys. So I'm going to show you. It's so windy and noisy, you come to here, but forgive me for that guys. So the clock is just right behind me, imetengenezwa kwa a dome like this. I'm going to show you guys, and yeah, let's check it out. So guys, what you're seeing just right now, the countdown. It's counting down the days to the FIFA World Cup, and the hours, the days, the hours, and the minutes and the seconds. You can check it out, guys. And these are so beautiful, and I think it's mwenye ali design it's just amazing. Alafu kuna vile ukiongea unajifeel ukiongea, I don't know how it's designed, ama ni juu ni dome or something. Yeah, so you check behind me here, you can see you have a shore to the city center. It's really beautiful. Like mwenye ali design really made it look so beautiful. Ni place ingine kumeka fiti sana. So I'm going to try and film around guys, na mtajionea. Yo guys, remember this video is sponsored by the Wheel Jacks Properties. It's located in Kilifi County, but it's operating entirely in the coastal region, or anywhere in Kenya. They can reach you out. Check them out in their various social media accounts. The Wheel Jack Properties. They manage properties. If you want to rent a house, if you want to get a home, if you want to do all those things, you know, if you want to get a place even to stay for a night, the Wheel Jack Properties manage that. Kindly reach them in their various platforms, and I'm really going to appreciate, guys. So I will not end this video, guys, before niongele maneno ya kazi, because a lot of people have been asking about these job issues. Nikiangalia in my nikiangalia in my previous video that I did, guys, wase wengi sana wamekuwa wakiongelea jobs like Brayo, update us about jobs in Qatar. Some people have been trying to reach me out in person. Kitu sipendi kukuwa reached out in person. Of course, few of you have my numbers, guys, but remember, kitu sipendi about that is that I also have a life outside YouTube. Saa ingine niko job, some people are texting in weird hours like midnight. Some people really want to talk to you. They don't care like the situation huko. I'm not saying I don't like that. What I really mean is that you ask me the same thing, you know, how to get jobs in Qatar, and I'm explaining very many videos, guys. If you want, usikuje watch video moja and ask me about jobs, guys. If you want about jobs, kindly go through my videos. Utaona a lot of videos that nimeongelea makazi day and night. I've taken, like, if I count, nimefanya over 30 videos talking about jobs in Qatar, how to get these agents, how to get the right agents. I've mentioned some agency, and ni ngumu sana to do the agency part of it, like kuambia which agency should you use, because I don't work with any of these agencies, na sijui who is the right and who is not the right. So I try to talk about that. Kama you're keen enough, just go through my videos, you're going to see that, guys. Na sisemi ati I don't appreciate the support that you give me. I really do appreciate your support mnanipatia, na ninashukuru sana. So guys, mumeona the clock that counts down until the FIFA World Cup in 2022, probably the early August the next year, kwenda October, November huko. Yeah. So I'm done with my video today, guys. I really appreciate for those who have watched. Nashukuru sana. Kindly do subscribe, click on that red subscribe button, and I'm really going to appreciate. Sasa I'm heading home, guys, to edit the video. See you in my next vlog.